Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in. So today I'm going to be running the DHK Maximus with the new Spur gear that I recently installed onto the center diff. And yeah, if you guys are interested in switching out your center diff or changing the Spur gear on it, make sure to check out my channel because I recently did a video on that and now I'm going to be doing a test run on it. Alright, so I'm going to put the body on and we'll run this thing. Here we go. Test run with the new Spur gear. So far so good. Whoa, 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 no, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it's on its back. Wow. Yeah, so far this new Spur gear is doing a really good job. I noticed that it actually kind of popped wheelie better than before now. Because before it used to always slip because of the plastic Spur gear, always slipping. But with this metal one, I don't think we're gonna get any slipping. Wow, look at that. Awesome. Let's try the cement. Wow, that was a nice little hop. Oh, very nice. My braking power is at 25%, which is plenty. You saw the back wheel coming up. If I were to leave this at 50%, it would have basically did a front flip. Alright, checking for screws because, yeah, DHK Maximus is known for losing screws. Everything's there. Everything's there. Screw in the back. That one's there. That one's still there. You guys notice this screw right here is starting to come off. So I'm gonna tighten that back up and then we'll do some more runs. Nice. Just take us back to the grass. Oh, that thing takes off. Oh, I almost crashed myself. Oh, saved. Oh. Wow, looks how they form. This thing is destroyed. Okay. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. This test run was a success. I had a blast.